Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to STEM Genius Point. Class 10th mathematics course में we completed our exercise 3.3 in a last lecture with a slides form. Okay, the today topic is from exercise 3.4, that is multiplication. How we multiply two matrices, what is the possible conditions of multiplication. Okay dear students, now we started the chapter number 3.4 and question number 1. All right, dear students, as you see here, the from exercise 3.3, question is find AB and BA if possible. What is the possible conditions of multiplication? Okay, first of all, you must know that how to multiply those two matrices. The multiplication is from rows to column. Okay, first row multiply with another matrices of first column, and the first row multiply the second column. Okay, this is the condition. The first matrices must have a row and the second matrices must have a column. All right, these are first one row and one column. This is the conditions of multiplication. Okay dear students, now we started our today lecture and the question number 1, AB and BA. Okay, exercise, we started here, exercise is 3.4. all right, the question is question number 1, AB as well as BA if possible. पॉसिबल नहीं भी हो सकती, क्यों नहीं हो सकती, ये भी कंडीशन मैंने अभी आपको बताई है। और अब हम इसके क्वेश्चंस भी करके देखते हैं कि कौन सी को कंडीशन है जहां पर मैट्रिसेस मल्टीप्लिकेशन में पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकते। ओके, द फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स इज ए बी, as we write here 1, 2, -1 and 0, and the B matrix is 3, 2, 1, -1. Okay, firstly we multiply A and B. So we write here a matrix AB, that is 1, 2, -1 and 0. And the B matrix is 3, 2, 1, -1. We must multiply rows to column. Okay, firstly we multiply here 1 multiply by 3, 2 multiply by 1, and the between sign is plus. All right, now we multiply first row into a second column of another matrix. 1 multiply by 2 and 2 multiply by -1, and the between sign is plus. So the next matrix, so the next multiplication, row multiply by first column, -1 multiply by 3 plus 0 multiply by 1, and that row multiply with the second column, -1 multiply by 2 and 0 multiply by -1. As you see here, this is the actual method how to multiply, as you see here clearly. Now according to the given conditions, plus and minus or multiplication we write here. 1 multiply by 3, 3, 2 multiply by 1, 2, 1 multiply by 2 minus and 2, -3, 0, -2, 0. Okay, the answer is 5, 0, -3, -2. This is the answer of AB multiplied by AB multiplication. Now we multiply BA if possible. Also they write it if possible. So first we write a matrix of B, 3, 2, 1, -1, 1, 2, -1 and 0. So these are the multiplication is possible. BA is possible because there is a 2 rows and 2 column, and the 2 rows 2 column also given in the second matrix. Okay, now we multiply here. Remember that rows to column, first 2 to 3 question we solve with a specific sign, rows to column, rows to column. Then when you get a more practice, you solve without any sign. 3 multiplied by 1 plus 2 multiplied by minus 1. Similarly, 3 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 0. Second row, first column and the second column. 1 multiplied by 1 minus 1 multiplied by, there is a 2 signs, so we write a bracket, minus 1. 1 multiplied by 2 minus 1 multiplied by 0. Okay. 3 minus 2 plus minus 2 multiply 1. 3 2s are 6 and 0. 1 minus plus, so write plus. 2 ones are 2. This one also minus, given that nothing any effect on the multiplication. 3 माइनस करेंगे 3 में से 2 को 1 6 2 1. This is the answer of our question. All right, the next question is question number 2, that is also AB and BA. The matrix values are changes, so we write here a matrix question number 2. A matrix is given 1 minus 2 and B matrix given 3 minus 4. Firstly we solve AB, then solve BA. AB is possible, and if BA is possible or not, 1 2 3 4. ओके, मैंने आपको इसके साइन बताए थे कि आपने किस तरीके से याद रखना है कि आपके पास पहले मैट्रिक्स के पास रो होनी चाहिए, सेकंड के पास कॉलम होना चाहिए. अगर पहले एक रो है तो एक कॉलम होना चाहिए. ऑलराइट, अगर दो रोज है तो दो कॉलम होने चाहिए. अगर नहीं है तो फिर नहीं हो पॉसिबल हो सकते. अब रोज टू कॉलम क्योंकि जाना है, 1 को 3 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया 3, माइनस 2 को मल्टीप्लाई किया माइनस 4 के साथ, और दरमियान में साइन क्या आना है, प्लस का आना है, इसलिए हम ब्रैकेट्स यूज करेंगे. 3 ones are 3, minus minus plus, and the plus also, this one is plus, minus minus also plus, 2 4s are 8. 8 and 3 11. This is the answer of our question. Okay, now if BA is possible, B value is 3 minus 4 and A value is 1 minus 2. We want rows to column, so this is not a possible because here is a first column and 2 rows, because we 2 rows and only 2 column, but that is not possible after multiplication. 3 को 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हम करेंगे तो 3 को फिर हम लोगों ने क्या करना है, 3 को 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए हमें सेकंड कॉलम भी चाहिए था, इसलिए नॉट पॉसिबल, नॉट पॉसिबल. You must have first column, so first matrix is the row and the second is the column. Now another matrix is, the question is, as you see here, A 4 and 4, B 2 and 5. Is that possible? AB, A matrix is 4 and 4, also a column matrix, so not possible. We must have first matrix as a row and the second is the column. And now BA, is that BA is possible? Rows to rows is, and this one is the column, so we multiply rows to column. 2 multiplied by 4 plus 5 multiplied by 4, so this is the possible condition. 2 4s are 8, 5 4s are 20, and the answer is 20. This is the answer, 28. This is possible, but the BA is not possible. Okay dear students, now we started our question number 4. Okay dear students, the question number 4 is matrices A is given of 3 rows and the matrix B is given as a 3 column. So here we multiply both these terms. Firstly we multiply A into B. 1, 2, minus 1 and 1, 3 and 0, minus 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1. In a matrices question, you must clearly or very consciously write a question values. Okay, firstly we multiply first row, first column. Two numbers in the first row and the two number in the first column. 1 multiplied by minus 1 plus 2 multiplied by 2. Now this row also multiplied by a second column. 1 multiplied by 4 and 2 multiplied by 3. Also 1 multiplied by 1 and 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, similarly we multiply another rows. Okay, dear students, now we again multiply first second row into first column, second column and third column similarly. So we write here minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 and 1 multiplied by 2, minus 1 multiplied by 4 and that 1 multiplied by 3, minus 1 multiplied by 1 and 1 multiplied by 1. This is the second. Now multiply third matrix, third row, second row and third row. The third row is 3 multiplied by minus 1, 0 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 4, 0 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 1 and 0 multiplied by 1. This is the third column, last column. Rows into column, you must remember that. So here after multiplication, minus 1 and 4, 4, 6, 1, 2, minus minus plus 1, 2, minus 4, 3, minus 1 plus 1. After simplification, here 3 multiplied by minus 1, minus 3, 0, 3 fours are 12, 0, 3 ones are 3, 0. आफ्टर सिंप्लीफिकेशन 4 में से हम एक निकालेंगे तो 3, 10, 3 सॉरी 3 minus 1 0, this cancellation, minus 3 12 3. All right, this is the answer of our this question. So here also want a multiplication of BA. B matrix is minus 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1. All right, 1, 2, minus 1, 1, 3, 0. As you see here, dear students, there is three numbers in a first row and the three numbers in a first column. So multiply is possible. So we multiply the values. Minus 1, 1, 4, sorry, first row into first column. 4 multiply minus 1 plus 1 multiply by 3. Alright, minus 1 multiply by second 2, 4 multiply by 1, 1 multiply by 0. Now, second row, first column and second column. 2 multiply 1, 3 multiply minus 1 and 1 multiply by 3. Now again 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 1, 1 multiply by 0. Alright, the next step is okay, minus 1, that is also minus plus minus minus 4, 3, minus 2, 4, 0, 2, 3, 3, 4 3 0. Now again we simplify this matrix. minus minus -5 एंड -5 में +3 करेंगे तो हमारे पास कितना आ जाएगा, -2 आ जाएगा. आप कैलकुलेटर यूज करना चाहें तो आप कैलकुलेटर से भी -1 -4 +3 देखें. -2 2 3 3 cancel 2 7. This is the answer of our question. Here 2 rows, the answer is in 2 rows. Here 3 rows in the question and the answer in 3 rows. All right, dear students. Now the last question of this question is. Okay, dear students, this is the last part of this question. Firstly, we multiply A into B. A matrix have 2 rows and 3 column, and B matrix have 2 column and 3 rows. So firstly we multiply rows into column. 1 multiply 1, 2 multiply 2, 2 multiply 1. This is the first column into row. Now second row, no, firstly we first row into first column, first row into second column. 1 multiply by 4, 2 multiply by 4 and 2 multiply by 6. 3 multiply by 1, 1 multiply by 2, 1 multiply by 1. 3 multiply by 5, 1 multiply by 4, 1 multiply by 6. Now 1 into 1 into 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 5, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 1. 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2 and 1. 15, 4 and 6. Now here we simplify this question. 1 5 6 7 and then now 20 and 25. 3 5 6, 15 and 6 हमारे पास आ जाता है 10, 10 and then 20 25. This is AB. Here as you see here there is 2 rows and the answer is in 2 rows. All right, the next question is. All right, dear students, now we solve a second part, that is BA. Here B is 1 2 1 5 4 6 and A is A part is 1 2 2 3 1 1. Now we multiply. 1 multiply by 2 rows column. First column, second column, third column. All right, 5 multiply by 3 first column, 1 multiply by 2 with the second column and 5 multiply by 1. And now the third column, 1 multiply by 2 and 5 multiply by 1. Now second row, the 3 columns, 2 multiply by 2, 4 multiply by 3, 2 multiply by 2 and 4 multiply by 1, 2 multiply by 2 and 4 multiply 1. Now the third row in 3 columns, 1 multiply by 2, 6 multiply 3, 1 multiply 2, 6 multiply 1, 1 multiply by 2 and 6 multiply 1. This is the multiplication. Now we simplify. 2 into 2, 2, 2 5s are 15, 1 into 2, 5 1s are 5 and 2 1s are 2, 5 1s are 5. 2 2s are 4, 12, 2 2s are 4 and 4, 4, 4. 2 1s are 2, 18, 2 1s are 2, plus. Open minded, you must solve this question with an open mind. 1 into 2, 2 and 6. Don't miss any value, any sign. 5 and 17, 7, 7. 12 and 4, 16, 8, 8. And the 2 and 18 is 20. 8. 8. All right, this is the answer of our question, and we completed our question number 1. And now today lecture is also completed. Inshallah, we met again on the next question, that is verification of this question. Inshallah Taala in the new lecture and the new topic. Remember that मुश्किल नहीं, सही रहनुमाई की ज़रूरत होती है. If you understand and clear your concept with my videos or lectures, so please like my videos, also subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz dear students.